Hello everyone, I'm Punyakirti and welcome to my Generative AI learning series. And today we will exploring an exciting concept in large language models, next word prediction. The simple secret behind AI chatbots. Have you ever thought about how chatbots like ChatGPT write clear sentences, full paragraphs, or even full articles? It feels like magic, right? But the truth is, the magic is quite simple. It's all about one key idea in AI called next word prediction. In this video, we will show how this works and explain two big topics behind it: causal language modeling and cross entropy loss. These are what make chatbots so smart. Let's begin. The core idea. At its core, a large language model is a smart guesser. It seems a group of words and its only job is to guess the next word. For example, the cat sat on the dash. What comes next? You may think mat or rug. The AI does the same. It checks the words before, then scores many possible next words. Maybe mat has 85%, rug 100%, and floor 5%. The model picks the word with the highest score. That's next word prediction. So how does it guess? That we call it as causal language modeling. It follows one simple rule. It only looks at words before the blank. It never peeks ahead. This left to right method is called causal language modeling. Causal means past words. Cause the next word. Let's understand with this some analogy or an example. Think of a storyteller. A good storyteller builds the plot word by word. They don't tell the ending first. The AI works the same way. It learns grammar and word patterns step by step. For the cat sat, the next likely word are on the. Then mat becomes a strong guess. This one way path makes the text flow naturally. How does it know if it is right? So we are guessing. We know that we are guessing a word and all, but how it comes to know that whether the guess is right or not? That concept we call as cross entropy loss. Now, how does the model know if its guess is right? This is where cross entropy loss comes in. Think of it as a wrongness score. It shows how close the guess is to the real word. Low loss means guess is close. High loss means it is far off. That means it is a far away. So let's understand with some analogy. Think of a game of hot and cold. The model makes a guess and the loss tells if it's hot or cold. If it says floor instead of mat, the loss is high because it is a cold guess. If it says mat, the loss is low because it is a hot guess. Training is just like this game. Again and again this game is played. The goal is to make hotter guesses and lower the loss. The model does not play this game once or twice. It plays billions or even trillions of times. Big models train on huge text data from books, articles, and the web. For each word, the model makes a guess, checks loss, and fixes itself. This cycle of guessing and checking and fixing helps it learn rules of language. With each guess, it gets better and smarter. So let's recap. Next time you see a chatbot, remember three things. Its goal is next word prediction. Its method is causal language modeling. Its guide is cross entropy loss. And it is repeated billions of times. It's not magic. It's smart guessing at scale. Next word prediction is the core engine behind modern AI. It's not about being magical. It's simply about making smart guesses at scale. So the next time you chat with a AI, you will know the simple yet powerful idea driving every word. Thanks for watching. I am Punyakirti BL and this is my generative AI learning series. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Keep learning.